Okay, we'll have exercise example on continuous probability distribution. A continuous random variable x a continuous random variable x that can assume values between the x has range only 1 to 3, values between x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. Have you taken this example? Just check that.
झालंय सर.
Okay, ठीक. A continuous random variable x that can assume values between x equal to 2 and x equal to 5. X equal to 2 and x equal to 5 has a density function given by f of x 2 into 1 plus x divided by 27. Then question asks find the probability when x is less than 4, and another question probability of 3 less than x less than 4. So this is the probability distribution function. So I write function first. F of x is 2 into 1 plus x divided by 27 when x is between 2 and 5. Elsewhere it is 0. Elsewhere it is 0. So this is probability function that we can check easily. It's better to find the probability for x less than 4. The probability for x less than 4, as per the definition, it is minus infinity to 4 f of x dx. Now x has only value between 2 to 5. So you have to split this interval, that's 2 to 5, function value will be this. So it's better to write minus infinity to 2, because minus infinity to 2 is elsewhere, function value becomes 0, and 2 to 4, function value is this. Just please accordingly, integration of 0 is 0, and now calculate the integration of this. 2 upon 27, integration of 1 is x, integration of x is x square upon 2, and put these limits. So after calculations you will come to know what is the answer. So 4 plus 16 by 2, when you put upper limit, minus 2 plus 4 by 2. 2 square is 4, okay. So what is the calculations? 2 by 27, it is 12, 8 plus 4 minus 4. So it becomes 2 into 8, 16 by 27. We just check these computations. The probability of x less than 4 is 16 by 27. And what is the other part? Probability between 3 to 4. B part. Probability of 3 less than x less than 4. It is nothing but integration 3 to 4 f of x dx. And between 2 to 5 value is there. So 3 to 4 is, you can just locate. You have given function value for 2 to 5. And your 3 and 4 are in between that. So function has value between 3 to 4. And value of the function is 2 upon 27 can be taken out, 3 to 4, 1 plus x dx. You can integrate it and put the limit. So after that, 2 by 27, 4 plus, okay, this have been calculated. It comes 8, not, it comes 12. 4 plus 16 by 2, upper limit, minus lower limit, 3 plus 3 square is 9, 9 by 2. And write the answer what it comes. 2 upon 27, 4 plus 8, 12, minus 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 9, 15 by 2. So what is the calculations? 2 upon 27 and 24 minus 15 is 9 upon 2. 24 minus 15, okay, 9 upon 2. So it becomes 1 by 3. So probability of 3 to 4 x value gives 1 upon 3. Probability when x is this is 1 by 3. That's it. We can have another example. The proportion of people who respond to a certain mail order solicitation. Certain mail order solicitation is continuous random variable. Is continuous random variable denoted by x, and that has density function given below. That has density function given below. So that is f of x is 2 multiplied by x plus 2 upon 5, and elsewhere it is 0. Okay, this is the range of x, and elsewhere value is this. So question asks that show that integration 0 to 1. Okay, it has only value between 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 integration of this f of x has to be 1. You either write minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to 0 is 0, and 1 to infinity is 0. So it should be 1. Okay, it was asked actually that probability of random variable x between 0 and 1 is 1. It's one and the same. Next, B part, find the probability that more than 1 upon 4 but fewer than 1 upon 2 of the people contacted will respond to this type of solicitation. Will respond to this type of solicitation. Okay, we are interested in this probability density function. So what is given that the proportion of who respond to certain mail order solicitations is continuous random variable x, and whose density function is this. That's it. So f of x is this. You can write this f of x and find the probability of the random variable x between 0 to 1 and show that it is 1. And for this, what we need to calculate? We have to find the probability for x more than 1 upon 4. more than 1 upon 4 and fewer than 1 upon 2. So P of this is to be calculated for P part. So f of x, I'm not going to write again. I will write the probability of this. It is just 0 to 1 f of x dx. But 0 to 1 f of x dx function has value 2 upon 5. I will take out x plus 2 dx. Just integrate it. So its integration is 2 by 5 x square upon 2 plus 2x, and put limit 0 and 1. When you put 0, you get lower limit as 0. When you put upper limit, you get it as 1 by 2 plus 1. So what is that? 1 by 2 plus 2. 2 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2 plus 2, that is 5 by 2. 2 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 2, it is 1, clearly. And in the B part, it is asked that probability for more than 1 upon 4. So x is more than 1 upon 4, but fewer than 1 upon 2. You need to solve the integration of this only. And this half to 1 by 4, you can see your function value between 0 to 1, and half is there, and 1 by 4 is also there. So on this region, function value is, we know its function value is half to 1 by 4, 2 upon 5 constant I will take out, x plus 2 dx. And you can integrate and put the limit. So 2 upon 5 is total out. Integration is x square upon 2 plus 2x. Put limit 1 upon 2, 1. Okay, 1 upon 4 is the lower limit and 1 upon 2 is the upper limit. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 upon 4. Half to, you should go for 1 by 4 to 1 by 2. Okay, this calculations is homework to you. Put limit and what are answers
9 by
that
40.
you should write. 9 by
40.
40. Okay, I don't answer, but you can see from the book. One more example before starting that joint probability distributions. We'll have one more example on this. The shelf life in days for bottles of certain prescribed medicine. For bottles of certain prescribed medicine is a continuous random variable having density function. Is continuous random variable having density function, having density function 20,000 divided by x plus 100 cube. Definitely you are counting the life, so life has to be started from 0 to infinity. Okay, and elsewhere I should mention here, elsewhere means that is the same thing. Okay, the shelf life in the days of bottles of certain prescribed medicine is continuous random variable which has the probability density function. This has the probability density function given by this f of x. The question asks, find the probability that a bottle of this medicine, okay, I'll write here, find the probability that bottle of this medicine have shelf life of two parts are there, at least 200 days. At least 200 days means in mathematical symbol how to write, if x is random variable for that number of days, then x has to be greater than or equal to 200. Anywhere from 80 to 120 days. Anywhere from 80 to 120 days. Okay. I will write f of x 20,000 divided by x plus 100 cube. When x is greater than 0, this is elsewhere. So at least 20 mathematically how to write mathematically? At least means what? Minimum 200 days its life should be there. So you have to find probability for x greater than 200. So that is probability for x greater than 200 is the probability that bottle of bottle shelf life is of at least 200 days. So how one should write this? One can write this as 1 minus probability of x less than 200, at most 200. That like that we can do. You know that the x greater than 200 and x less than 200. You can write equal to here also, no problem for the continuous case, and okay, like this. So probability of x greater than or equal to 200 and probability of x less than 200 total will be 1. So by total probability rule, 1 minus at most, like that we can do. So it is 1 minus integration minus infinity to 200 f of x dx. We know the value of f of x exists for x greater than 0 only. So 1 minus infinity to 0, f of x is 0, and minus outside is minus sign, so that's why I'm writing minus 0 to 200. Function value is 20,000 divided by x plus what? X plus 100 cube. And you have to calculate this integration. 1 minus, what is the integration of it? 20,000 is constant. Integration of x plus 100 का असल x plus 100 raised to minus 3 as integration का ये. This integration is x plus 100 minus 3 plus 1 म्हणजे minus 2 upon minus 2, like that it can come. X plus 100 raised to minus 2 upon 1 upon लिहू शकतो आपण minus 2, and put limit 0 and 200. And now this you can calculate. Okay, this minus 2 can make a plus. So 1 plus 2 is division, so it is 10,000. 10,000, and you are going to put limit of this 1 upon x plus 100 square. Put x equal to 0, x equal to 200. Okay, this you do calculations. The calculations तुम्ही करा किती तपा. Just do these calculations. It should be less than 1. Probably it should be always less than 1. Now your 1 plus something terms are coming. Definitely this will be the negative term when you put upper limit and lower limit. Okay, I will do that calculations. 1 plus 10,000. Inside it is 1 upon x is 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 300 multiplied by 300. minus 1 upon 100 multiplied by 100. Okay, then you put x equal to 0. So what is the calculations? It is 3 into 3, 9. Okay, हे calculations करू शकतो तुम्ही आता. हा नंबर मोठा आहे त्यामुळे इथे मायनस साइन येते. This number is bigger one. Can you do these calculations? Find the answer. This gives probability of at least 200 the life of that bottle. Yes, anyone have did calculations? Till then I will write second problem.
1/9.
1/9 alaka. Okay, check others, check answer. So probability of asked anywhere from 80 to 120. 80 to 120 means what? You want to integrate it from 80 to 120 of f of x. What is the value of f of x? F of x value is 20,000. When x is greater than 0, this is the value. X plus 100 square dx. Okay, it is cube. And just do these calculations. To all the calculations and try to solve similar type examples from the exercise. That is page number 54 of your textbook. 54, 55, and one example is on 56 page. Okay. Now we'll just define the joint probability distributions today and have one example on that. Joint probability distribution. Now earlier we have taken the probability function of one variable, f of x only. Joint means what? Your sample space or your statistical experiment may depend on two variables. So f of x, y, and both the variable may be continuous, may be discrete. It is not like that x is discrete and y is continuous. Both of either continuous or discrete. So first we have joint probability distribution for discrete random variable. And it is denoted by f of x comma y. You can have more than two variable also. You can extend it f of x1, x2, xn. So earlier it was only your statistical experiment in giving only one independent variable. Now here two independent variables are there. So let me define it. Definition of the function f of xy, small f of xy, is joint probability distribution. Is joint probability distribution or probability mass function of discrete random variable x and y. Of random variable should be denoted by capital notation of discrete random variable x and y. If now this f of xy satisfies certain conditions, the value of this f for every x and y should be greater than or equal to 0 for all x and y. Whatever range you have for all x and y, it should be greater than or equal to 0. Second, the total sum for all x and all y, this f of xy has to be 1 as the total probability. The total sum has to be 1. And third, if you want to find probability for x equal to x and probability for y equal to y, it should be the function value x comma y. That's it. One more thing that in this third condition you can add, for any region A, it's a discrete, not continuous. For any region A in the xy plane, the probability of all those xy in the region A is nothing but summation over the region A of your f of xy. This is for particular point and this is for every point in A. This is for every point in A. So thing is that each probability has to be greater than or equal to 0. The sum of all probability for all x and for all I has to be 1. And if you want to find the probability for x equal to x and y equal to y, it is just function only f of xy. And let us elaborate this by the following example. Two refills for a ballpoint pen. For a ballpoint pen are selected at random. Are selected at random from a box that contains 3 blue refills. 3 blue refills, it should be double yellow. 3 blue refills, 2 red refills, 2 red refills, and 3 green refills. And 3 green refills. Okay, read that. 2 refills for a ballpoint pen are selected at random. एका बॉक्स मधनं काय करायचं from the one bags 2 refills are just selected at random. The ball pen will consist of, you can fix 2 refills in that. So that box has 3 blue refills, 2 red refills, and 3 green refills. That means total 8 refills are there. Among that 8 refills, you are choosing 2 refills. That is your experiment. Now what x and y denotes, that will mention here. If x is the number of blue refills, x is number of blue refills, and y is number of red refills. Number of red refills. Number of red refills selected. म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू ही काय असेल फार पडतं 0 1 2 असेल आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल फार पडतं आता रेड म्हणजे ओके y ची व्हॅल्यू 0 1 2 असेल आणि ब्ल्यू म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 1 2 3 असेल. पण दोन ट्रिपल घ्यायचं म्हणजे तर x प्लस y ची किंमत नेहमी 2 आली पाहिजे, ही गोष्ट पण एक लक्षात घ्या. नाउ क्वेश्चन फाइंड a joint probability function. The joint probability function which will be denoted by f of x comma y, and find the probability for the random variable xy in the region A. What is A? It is mentioned. A is all those xy such that x plus y is less than or equal to 1. This is the region. You have to write all the coordinates whose sum is either 1 or less than 1. Okay. You tell me what are the possible values of this x and y. The possible values of x and y काय असतील? Read that experiment. 2 refills for a ballpoint pen are selected at random from the box that contains total 8 refills. Among 8 refills, 3 are blue, 2 are reds, and 3 are green. So possible values of x plus y has to be 2. X plus y has to be 2. So possible values of x is, you will not select all 2 refills will be selected from green. 0 0 means once. No blue, no red. That means 2 are green. Next 0 1. 1 no blue but 1 red and 1 green. I'm not mentioning third point here. Next, because third is depend on these two. 1 0 1 1. What is other possible value? 0 2. And what is another possible value? 2 0. So first is for x and other is for y. And what is this x? X is for blue. I mentioned in the color. And what is this y? Y is for red. Okay. So these are the only possible values of x and y. So what we want to do? We want to prepare joint probability distribution f of xy. Joint probability distribution f of xy for x. X value can be 0, x value can be 1, x value can be 2. And for the value y, y value can be 0, can be 1 and 1 and can be 2. So what we want to calculate, I will mention here. Just preparing the table. Okay, this is xy. So here it should be f of 0, 0. So what is meaning of f of 0, 0? What this f of 0, 0 stands for? This f of 0, 0 stands for you are choosing. Suppose I ask, what is the probability that among that selected two refills, one refill is there is no blue refill and no red refill. That box contains three blue and 2 red and 3 green. 3 green that box contains. And if now what is f of 0, 0 means that the probability that no blue and no red was selected from that two. त्या कुठून आल्या असतील मग? म्हणजे ब्ल्यू पैकी घेतलेलं नाही काहीच आणि रेड पैकी पण घेतलेलं नाही काहीच. मग कुठून घेतले? ग्रीन पैकी 2 घेतले. And you are already selecting from 8 2 repeats. So how this function is constructed, you look for this example. The first f of 0 stands for, you want to find the probability for selecting 0 blue and 0 red. But experiment is selecting of 2 refills. 2 refills are already selected. So from where that refills will be selected? That refills will be selected from green. This is red and this is blue. So 2 refills are selected from this, and so from as per the multiplication rule, what is the numerator value you get? 3C0 is 1, 2C0 is 1, and 3C2 is, it is 3, and 8C2 is computed, it is 28. So it is 3 by 28. So here it is 3 by 28. So in general, suppose I want to write function. So these x refills are chosen from 3 and y refills are chosen from 2. Y refills are chosen from 2 and other refills, okay, if they are 0, 0, we will get 2 here, other refills will be from here. If इथं 0 आलं तर हा x आणि y ची किंमत काय असेल? दोघं मिळून 2 असेल. x plus y will be always less than or equal to 2. That you should keep in mind, because we are going to select only 2 refills, and by the total rule of probability, out of 8 2 refills are selected, so by 28. And now in this way you can calculate. So another example, you want to calculate f of 0 comma 1. This value काय असेल? This is f of x is 1, x is 1 comma 0. This is f of 1 comma 0 that you need to calculate. So how f of 1 comma 0 is calculated? F of 1 comma 0 can be calculated. The one blue refill is selected from 3. There is no red refill. Definitely the refill selected, another refill has to be green. Upon 28 is HC2. So 3 choose 1 is 3, 2 choose 0 is 1, and 3 choose 1 is 3. So it is 6 by 28. 6 by 28 means I can write this as, okay, 9 by 28 actually. It is 9 by 28, not 6, 9 by 28. So here I should write So here I should write 9 by 28. Now this value is f of 0 comma 2. Okay, I have to write y equal to 3 also here, huh? But it will be impossible for that. Anyway, we are selecting only 2, so only need to write off that. We are selecting only 2. So 3 should not be there, though y have 3 choices. Okay, what is this value? This value is f of 0 comma 1. f of 0 comma 1. आता आपण काय काढला तर f of 1 comma 0 काढला. Now f of 0 comma 1. f of 0 comma 1. So this 0 is chosen from 3 blue refills, 1 is chosen from 2 red refills, and the total has to be 2. So another refill is from green upon 28. So it is 3 choose 0 is 1, 2 choose 1 is 2, and 3 choose okay. 6 by 28 means it is 3 by 14. So I should write 3 by 14 here. So likewise, everything is calculated. Here you get f of 1 comma 1, also you get 3 by 14. Can you have this value f of 1 comma 2? f of 1 comma 2 is not feasible. Okay, ही value calculate करायची राहिली आपल्याला. f of 1 comma 2 म्हणजे x plus y 3 आला. x plus y has to be less than or equal to 2. So here no value. Keep it mind. So this is 2 comma 0. f of 2 comma 0 is 1 upon 28. Similar calculations. 2 comma 1 is not possible because 2 comma 1 म्हणजे काय? Sorry, 1 comma 2 म्हणजे काय? 1 red and 2. So you are selecting 3 refills. 1 plus 2 3 refills. You are selecting 4 refills. So these are not possible values. So this is your probability function. This is your joint probability functions, and you can sum up all these. Okay, I will do the row sum. Row totals. Row total, what is 9 plus 3 plus this? It is 15 by 28. This is 6 by 14. 6 by 14 means it is 3 by 7, and it is 1 upon 28. You can see this total is always 1. You can check. This total is always 1. So column total I will mention. Column total 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 1, 10 upon 28 means 5 upon 14. This is 15 upon 28, and it is 3 by 28. So this sum is also 1. Total row sum, column sum. So why I am writing that sum? You are checking the total probability. Now B part, B question was asked that we have to find probability for all those xy in A. So what is A? You should write first. All those xy such that x plus y is less than or equal to 1. So what are the possible values less than or equal to 1 x comma y? A काय असेल? 0 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 0. Can you write 1 comma 1? Can you write 1 comma 1 here? We can
No, sir.
write 1 comma 1 because of this condition. So these are the only 3 values. So probability of all those, okay, order pair xy in the region A is equal to the probability of x equal to 0, y equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 0, y equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 1, y equal to 0. That means you are writing this as f of 0, 0, f of 0, 1, and f of 1, 0. So this comes with the calculation 3 upon 28. f of 0, 0 calculate kill upon 3 upon 28. f of 0, 1 is 3 by 14 means 6 by 28, and it is 9 by 28. So 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 18, 18 by 28 means 9 by 14. So this is about the probability for A. So this is joint probability distribution for discrete random variable. Similarly, we can define the joint probability density function for continuous random variable, and some examples related to that will be discussed in the next lecture. If you have any difficulty, you unmute and ask.